Hi everyone, my name is Luis Palacios based of Monterrey, Mexico. For the last 5 years, as a senior architect and part of our engineering team, I've been helping drive the engineering team and working across multiple lines of business as well. We've been working between Clarity, Microsoft, Monday.com, and a couple other projects, helping customers with implementations, innovations, and supporting several of our assets. I'm really looking forward for Rego U 2023 and getting a chance to see everybody at San Diego. That's a really tough question. I think beyond the topic or the class, I really like the style of the classes altogether. We try to make them interactive and engaging to make sure that anybody that attends either gets a chance to contribute or gets a chance to take something new back home. First off, I just love the fact that this is not a sales event. Um, After more than a decade working from home and having known most of our customers and co-workers for years, to me, it's just all about connecting with people, getting a chance to see each other again, and helping out the best we can.